If anything, what turned me on to Hebel all the way around was how easy it was to use. And then on top of that, all the other attributes it has is just, it's easy to find a use for it. People don't even believe it until you see it, but you could take a handsaw, literally a carpenter's handsaw, and cut this material, and you just look at that and say, God, it's so soft, how could that ever be a structural material? But it has the compressive strength, and it's amazing stuff. You could classify it as a masonry product, and it can replace masonry materials. You could classify it as a concrete product, and it could replace concrete materials. And you could also classify it, I guess you couldn't classify it as a wood product, but it can replace wood materials. There's no complicated method to put this in. It's very, very user-friendly. And so it was easy to take our carpenters and the people that already worked for us and teach them how to use it, that we started trying to find a way to incorporate the product into our projects for several reasons: the fire rating, the insulating value, and truthfully, we kind of just carved out a niche for ourselves. We realized that there's a lot of great qualities about the product. Not a lot of people were using it yet, but we saw how innovative it was and decided that, you know, this is something that we can become specialized in. Along with being a specialized general contractor for hospitality, we could also become a subcontractor in installing this product. And because Hebel's so lightweight, about a third the weight of concrete, they can bear on light gauge metal studs. And so again, you have to really look at the whole system. But if you're looking at a structure cost, if you're using a Hebel structure on a hotel versus a block and plank structure on a hotel, I would say the Hebel structure, the complete package, is going to run probably save you somewhere between 6 and 8% less structure cost to structure cost. And we've again seen that Hebel metals have shaved about 2 months off of every job that we've used it on. The real kicker and the selling point also is when you clad your wood frame building or any type, but when you clad with Hebel, insurance picks it up as a masonry product. And so you can now classify your building as a masonry skin on the outside, which will really drop your classification rate. And owners, when they look at the long term, if they're going to hold the hotel for 5-6 years, that can translate into real dollars, $30,000-$40,000 a year on insurance costs, being from a wood frame EIFS building to a wood frame masonry building. There's cost, and there's quality, and there's time. Those are the three major components of any project, residential, commercial. Tell your client you get to sacrifice one. Client, you pick two. If you want a really fast job and you really don't want it to cost very much, then you have to give me a lot of time. Or if you want a really fast job and you don't care what the cost is, I get the cost. You want a really fast job, super high quality, and then it's going to cost you a lot of money. This is a really unique product in that it really just covers all three. I mean, it sounds kind of hokey, but the truth is I can sell to a client and he doesn't have to sacrifice quality or time or cost. It really covers all three spectrums, and you can say, I'll give you a fast job at a reasonable price, and the quality is going to be as good or superior to what you would have done anyways. It's really the only thing I've come across that's hit all three of those categories. Built for science, engineered for life.